Hi friends, I'm Sajid. Welcome back to my channel Saitiko. In this video, I'll be doing the 90 FPS PUBG gameplay test in the POCO X3 device. So this is a question which has been asked by most of the users that to make a video on the 90 FPS PUBG gameplay test. And right now, I'll be using this BHGT GFX tool to play this 90 FPS. But let's test whether this actually supports or not, because I am having some kind of issues with this kind of GFX tool. I'm unable to play with the 90 FPS. So I did try all the settings using this GFX tool application, but I was unable to play in the POCO X3 device. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the POCO X3 smartphone, and first let me show you the settings. So let me go to the display here, and I am using the 120 Hz refresh rate, as you can clearly see, and there is a inbuilt FPS count meter as well in the POCO X3 device. So I am using the inbuilt FPS count meter, so not relying on any other third-party applications. This is a very good accurate FPS count which is there in the inbuilt in the POCO X3 device. So first let me try to open the BHGT. This is a GFX tool. Most of the users, they did recommend me to use and test this 90 FPS gameplay in the POCO X3 device. As you can see, friends, with the first test, I'll be choosing with the smooth. So smooth graphics and the resolution, I'll try to set to the low, and realistic or soft colors, and as you can see, 90 FPS. As you can see, friends, these are the settings which I am using currently right now. So next test 2, I'll try to change the settings and let's see whether it will work or not. So let me try to apply these settings, and I did try plenty of other GFX tool, but if you use this default GFX tool application, so you won't get a 90 FPS. So maybe if you're using any other GFX tool third-party applications, so they will be showing as a 90 FPS or even 120 FPS. But if you use this default FPS count meter, so you won't be getting that kind of 90 or 120 FPS. So that's why it's better to rely only on the default FPS count meter, which is very accurate. So let me try to show you the settings. So whenever you select the 90 FPS, so using these applications, all the frame rates and everything will be disabled here, as you can clearly see. But right now, even after using this 90 FPS, I'm getting it only 60 FPS. You can see clearly the difference. So now let me try to close this complete PUBG game, and let me go back to the again application, same BHGT application, and now I'll try to change the resolution to medium, and from smooth. So I'll try to keep only the smooth graphics, because most of the 90 FPS will be possible with the smooth. So smooth graphics and resolution is set to the medium settings, and next everything is good. As you can see, these are the settings I'm trying to use, and now let me try to apply. So let's see, friends, whether with the resolution it might be changed or not. But I did try plenty of other GFX tools applications, but if you use any other GFX tool, as I said, they will be showing 120 FPS or 90 FPS. But if you use this kind of true default GFX tool, FPS meter in the POCO X3 device, so then you will get to know exactly results, what's happening. As you can see, let me try to open the settings here. As you can see, friends, the FPS count still it's in 59 FPS only. So you're not getting the more than 60 FPS at all. As you can see, when I open the multitasking tray, you can see the 90 Hz it's increased. So as soon as I open the PUBG game, it will decrease to 60 Hz. As you can see, friends. So that's a drawback is there, but if there is any other way you find out, then definitely let me know, friends. I'll try to do testing in my phone as well. And now let me try to select the resolution to the high resolution and graphics to the smooth, and these are the same settings I'm trying to use, and let's see whether this time will it work or not. So recently I did receive the update in the POCO X3 device, and after the update, the default FPS meter is working pretty fine without any issues. So before there was some issues with this FPS count meter, but right now it got fixed. And try to check that update as well, in case if you want to know what's going on with the latest update. You can find that interesting video. And there is also another iOS 14 launcher installation in the POCO X3. So right now I'm trying to use that launcher only. As you can see, friends, even with this kind of settings also, you will be able to get only 60 FPS, not the 90 FPS. So even though I use this BAGT application, I am unable to get the 90 fps. Maybe if you find out the exact settings what to use, so do let me know in the comments below, friends. That will be very helpful for me, and even I'll try to make a video on that one as well. So I thought of asking you everyone that whether you have a solution for this one or not, because I don't have at the moment. I don't have any solution for this one. I'm trying as much as all the GFX tools as possible to make this work. So my main goal is to make this a default FPS count meter work, so not relying on any other third party FPS count meter, because the default one is pretty good. So I want this one to be worked, then only it's a pretty true and genuine one. So there are some videos which will be showing 120 fps and 90 fps, so those can be some kind of not real as well sometimes. So if you use third-party applications, but if you use this kind of default fps count meter, then the results will be very much true. So right now you can see this is a game which supports the 120 fps, and you can actually see the 120 fps clearly on the fps count meter without any problem. So overall, the playing with the 90 fps at the moment, it's not which I don't know at the moment. So definitely, if you guys know any other solution for this one, do comment below. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to check my recently uploaded videos on the Poco X3 for more regular updates as well. And see you in the next video. Until then, bye.